What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to a brand new video of Giovanni 2. Guys, we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. We need like 300 and something subscribers to be able to get 1,000 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate for all the support that you guys had given me and that are giving me as of right now, guys. So today I have like a little small vlog for you guys. So in my truck I have a connection that I can connect things to it. So, you know, I'm like, you know what? Why don't we try to wrap my truck into Christmas lights, right? And drive it around. I just finished wrapping it, but let me show you here real quick. So I have a connection here. Oh, let me put my phone light so you guys can see a little bit better. And so I have a connection there in my truck, right? That you can kind of like, hold on, you can plug it in there, like right there. Can you guys see it? Yeah, so it plugs in like that. And look at this, guys. Look at this.